Hello friends, welcome to the learning curve. Now look at this question. If a plus a square plus b square is equals to 117 and ab is equals to 54, find the value of a plus b upon a minus b. So what we are going to do in this question, there is a very smart trick to solve it in a very short way. As you know that you are required to find out the value of a plus b and a upon a minus b. So instead of solving it by elimination by substitution method, we are just going to follow a trick. That is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is an algebraic identity upon a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Right? Now, just look at the equation. The two values that are given in the equation, that is a square plus b square and ab. Both values are given. So just put it in the equation. Put it in the question, that is you get here 117 plus 2 into AB as a value 54. Similarly, put the values in the denominator as well, that is a square plus b square is 117 minus 2 into 54. You get here 117 plus 108 upon 117 minus 108. Further, you will get here 225 upon 9, right? Now, as you know, on the left hand side we have a plus b. You can write it as a plus b upon a minus b whole square. Now, just take under root on both sides. So, this square and this is cancelled. You get a plus b upon a minus b is equals to this 225 is a perfect square of 15, and this here you will get 3. You will get here plus minus 3, and further after simplifying you will get here 5. So you can write a plus b upon a minus b is equals to plus minus 5, and this is our required answer. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.